Come on, boy. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be having fun with my dog. His name's Milo. Yes, it's kind of funny. I don't know how to spell his name either, but he's a lovely dog. He's so lovely. He's so lovely, isn't he? Everybody wants a dog like Milo's. Look, he's eating his little ball. He wants me to play with him, doesn't he? Right, I'm going to take my seat. I'm going to put it over here. Watch a little bit of fun with the ball. Oh, you get a little football here. Sorry guys, it's Welsh. It's not English. I'm learning him English. Secure now, my laws. Oh, he knows somebody's coming. He knows somebody's coming. My lord! My lord! Oh, where were you? My lord! My lord, sausage! Sausage! There he is, the big one. Oh, there's his ball. I gotta get his ball. My lolly! My lolly! Lolly! Ever pelchty! Wants the iPad, lad. And gals. Say hello, people! That's hello. Are you going to say hello to people? To the people. Say hello, my lads! The same hello. Are you saying hello? My lads, say hello! Are you going to say hello, that is? Oh, what's that ball so bad? I legitimately got a pink ball. I found it. He's fallen in love with the black one instead, so I had to get the black one. Just enjoying that ball. Need a pearly way. That's give me the ball. Give me the ball, lad. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. He's got it. Try on that. Several pair there. Look you out. Give the guy a lot. Do you like that ball? You can have it if you want it. I don't know what I said myself, guys. He's breaking through the ball though. It's quite sunny today, but it is cold. There is sun, but it is cold. I want to go get that ball from far away. If you're wondering where my other dog is, which you probably don't know, he's in the van sleeping. So, no, not dead, sleeping like, and I don't want to wake him up as I was going to think of playing with him because he's wide awake all the time having fun. Oh, he doesn't want to speak to you guys. Wondering why we have coal there, it's for our fire, we're all fishing in this, so. Like we never use hose pipe, we only use the watering tin. Minutes on Milo. That's 2 minutes on Milo. Okay, Milo. Here's my little secret base. I have done a tour of this. I spray painted it gold. You might not be able to see it, but I told that. Right, let's go out because you'll miss me. Come on, my dreamy lads. There I am, my love artist. If you guys want to live Welsh, I'll be making a video of that soon. Oh yeah, let's come back to you guys now. Boy, got water on his ear. Accidentally spilled some water in him with the tiny red bunny. The plant. This might go on for a bit. I might go to my friends later to film. Oh, I might not though. He's digging into that ball. If we play some ball tonight, I'm gonna go for the walk. Yeah, my lads, square a pair, That's, yeah, my lord, do you want to play with the ball tonight? You can already see the moon. You can barely see us, guys. Can you see it? It's like the only white thing there. Right, I'll show you. It is, what about is it for you guys? What is it? Go on now. There it is. You guys might not have seen it, but it's right up there. Oh my god, just zoomed in my arm. If you don't see it, I'm just going to point it up. There you go, there it is. See the white thing? It's right at the top. But that's on the right hand side. Right and up. No, okay, so I'm just going to put it in the middle. There we go, in the middle. Sorry, we're having fun with our dog, not the moon. He's so beautiful. He's so fluffy. When this made it 7 minutes, we're going to have to end here. And I'll learn some Welsh after this. Today, Papa and that's quick, it ends. Okay, goodbye. Love you. I'm not legitimately as friends. Like, bye. Subscribe, like, and share if you like this video.